the first wide-angle story on the show. We are now talking about the future economic trajectory of the Indian economy. And I stick my neck out to say it's never been as good as it is right now. And I give you three key reasons and factors what is working for India. First is the poor health of the Chinese economy. The big bang mega stimulus that the Chinese government announced seems to have failed. The mega stimulus was aimed to lift the world's second largest economy, hasn't done so. The stock market seems to have suffered their worst rout since 2020. And the enthusiasm is now waning as investors expected follow-up measures to back the spending commitments that the Chinese government made. But that hasn't happened. As of now, the 2024 target of Chinese government of a 5% growth pretty much looks out of reach. Now, the second factor that's working for India is the political stability. Ever since Prime Minister Modi's third term started, there have been motivated, some would say, reports that suggested that the government is susceptible to instability because of its reliance on allies. Now, that theory stands junked after BJP's very decisive victory in the state of Haryana. And the third factor that's working for India right now is the downward trajectory, or a very stable trajectory as far as crude oil prices are concerned. India imports 85% of its crude oil imports and needs, and the present geopolitical tensions have not had such a big bearing as far as crude oil prices are concerned, ensuring that government's finances remain under control. And all these factors will collectively act as a big push as far as attracting global investors are concerned. They need growth opportunities. They are not seeing that in China. They are seeing that in India. And the next 1 year, unless there are some major extraneous factors on which nobody really has a control on, I see the Indian economy being very uniquely placed to attract some big ticket global investments.